How you doing with the shift in the industry? I'm not talking about AI, I'm talking about the self-pay shift. I'm sure you've noticed that over the past couple of years, people are choosing higher deductibles to save money on premium. People are afraid to file a claim because they see in the news, not just industry news, but mainstream news, people getting non-renewed because they're filing claims. People are worried about premium going up even more because of filing claims. And this combination of things that's happening is causing people to shop more, right? And it's causing them to call their agents more than they have in a long time. They want advice. They're looking for their insurance agent to be an advisor, right? So how does this affect you? What does this mean to you? This means that the days of simple water losses, simple fire losses where people had $250, $500, even $1,000 deductibles is going away, right? So what does that mean? That means you don't just get the assignment from the TPA, from the adjuster, go out, sign the job. It's not that easy anymore, right? You know just as well as I do, it's not happening like that as frequently as it was before. So what does that mean? Well, you've got to be a great sales organization all the way around. From the minute you answer the phone, that person answering the phone has to be great. They have to be enthusiastic. They have to be empathetic. They have to have a sense of urgency. You've got to get that person scheduled for the initial inspection. The person going out has to be same thing, right? They've got to be really confident, friendly, empathetic, helpful, have a sense of urgency to get that homeowner to sign the work authorization, right? Your production managers, everybody has to have a sales mindset. And if you don't have an outside sales presence right now, if you don't have at least one rep, I think it's time that you seriously consider it, right? That rep needs to be out there in the world building relationships with agents, with property management companies, with assisted living facilities, with schools, with universities, with other commercial properties. You can't just rely on the insurance programs anymore. And I think this is a good thing. I really do. I feel like it's going to help restorers get back some control that they have lost over the years. So if you have any questions about how I might be able to help you with any of this, just book a call with me, click the link below. I'm doing this, and I have been doing this since 2009, helping other restoration companies to get more profitable, increase their revenue, and build sellable companies. Let me know if I can help you.